What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Today we are going to show you the Curve platform. So I've done a couple videos on Curve, Aave, and a couple of the DeFi platforms, as well as Sushi on the Polygon network. But I thought I'd go ahead and do a deep dive on Curve so you guys can understand what the protocol is and how to use it. So first off, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, in this video we are going to show you guys in depth on how to use Curve on Polygon. First off, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. Leave a comment below saying you subbed. Do all four of those things. You can earn $100 in BTC. Sponsored by yours truly. Alright guys, so first off, a couple things you guys need to know about this project is there are risks involved. We will open it up so you guys can see it. First off is audits. So yes, the contracts were audited, but there is such thing as smart contract risk. So there can be an issue with the smart contract. You can lose money, you can lose your funds, they can be stolen, etc. There's also staking risks where there could be a flash loan attack or a hacker and takes the funds. So guys, be aware your money is not foolproof. So keep that in mind when you're using DeFi protocols. Another thing is loss of peg. So one of the stable coins like the USDT, USDC, they can lose their peg. So do keep in mind, guys, that is a risk involved in this project before you guys get started. All right, so now let's go and use the protocol. I went ahead and borrowed some funds over on Aave. I love using Aave. Aave is fun to use. If you guys have not watched any of my videos on Aave, make sure you check it out. Also, another thing I like about Curve, it is the best place to swap for different stable coins. They will give you the best rates. I've tested all of them. They give the best rates here. So what do you need to do? All right, well, they only have one pool in Aave right now, and it's the stable coin pool. So what you do is you click on the pool, and you're going to see a bunch of different junk. So you have a couple of options. First off, you can actually just swap DAI for USDC. You can do DAI to USDT. You can manually swap your tokens for each of them to get the 3 different pairs because you're providing liquidity, so you need to have each of these tokens. I'll say it again, guys. You're providing liquidity, so you need to have each of these tokens. When you provide liquidity, you either have to provide a 50-50 ratio. In this case, there's 3 tokens in this pool, so it's going to be a 33.33% ratio times 3. So how you get that number is 100% of the pool divided by 3. It gives you 33.33%. Here's a couple of options for your swapping. You can do 1%, 0.5%. I would recommend using the custom percent and trying to swap it at 0.2%. That way it'll not have such crazy slippage. Or if you guys are like, nah bro, I don't want to do it manually. Forget this junk. I want to deposit one and done. That's fine too. You can just do this. You can say, hey, I want to deposit 500 DAI and I want you to make my tokens now. So it'll use my maximum coins available. I only have 500 DAI in here and 24 USDC. You can change this to just say 0 if you wanted to, but I'll just use all of my tokens because it's got them all in there. So to automatically select that, you just hit this X down here, use maximum amount of coins available. And you can also just check this and say add all coins in a balanced proportion, and it'll add the balanced amount. So say you have 500 DAI, 1000 USDC, and 500 USDT, it'll automatically make all of these 500, 500, and 500. So if you guys don't understand that, the reason why is it's 33%. So 33% of the 1500 pool would give you that total. So I'm just going to use the max amount because that's easier. You guys see the section that says deposit A tokens? This will allow you to take your tokens over from Aave. So if you check this box, it'll automatically populate different tokens. These are the tokens I'm currently borrowing over at Aave. One thing you need to know is if you deposit from Aave into Curve, it is going to change and not withdraw, but take your tokens from Aave. It's not physically taking them. If you guys know how Aave works, when you deposit USDC, USDT, or DAI into the pools, you basically automatically get a receipt that says, here's your AUSDT. It's automatic, or it's not automatic, but it's Aave USDT. It's basically just a receipt saying you deposited into the pool. That's how the smart contract fluctuates and uses that. So I'm not going to deposit my A tokens because I'm levering up, I'm farming with them, and I don't want to get liquidated by accidentally changing the health factor because I'm depositing A tokens. So, here's another thing, risk of using the Aave pool. Yeah, that's one of them. You can get liquidated. So here's a function where you can deposit. I wouldn't recommend just depositing because you want to deposit and stake engage. Because if you stake engage, you're going to be earning the Matic rewards as well as the stablecoin rewards. If you want to know what those are, you just go straight to the home page and hit home. You see this, Aave, ADAI, AUSDT. The current base rate is 7.65% and 17.52 Matic. And it breaks down the APY. So your daily APY is 7.65, weekly is 4.05, monthly is 6.57, and total is 8.89. So 8.89 is probably going to be your average percentage. Right now it's a little bit higher because more people are borrowing some tokens right now. So do keep that in mind, guys. That's one thing to keep in mind, that this rate will change. And the Matic, this is just like a liquidity mining program that's going on. So little incentive. So that's cool. All right, so let's go back to where we were depositing into the pools. So let's go and deposit and stake engage. Wait. We need to do slippage. I'm going to do 0.05%. Yeah, okay, transaction may fail. Okay, who cares? Transactions are like a penny anyways. Let me make sure. So 0.05. We'll try 0.04. We'll get a little bit risky. So I'm going to deposit and stake engage. Oh, also this shows you guys, this is the Curve Aave LP token that I'm getting. So basically this is how much the token is worth, and I'll basically get 4.49. Actually, I'll try to see if I can lower it a bit. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's not much of a difference. We'll just leave it at 3. So let's do deposit and stake engage. So it's going to have me approve. So I'm going to say I confirm. So now it's going to confirm the transaction, and we shall wait. It should be a couple of seconds. The transaction is going to pop up here. You guys can't really see it because it's off the screen. But my transaction was confirmed. All right, so now we will confirm for the swap to add liquidity. Hopefully this will work. Maybe the slippage is too low. Maybe it's too high. Bam, it's confirmed. So now I'm depositing polygon.curve.fi. So now this is the transaction in order to deposit into the pools. So now I have my Curve Aave LP tokens after the second transaction, and now I'm going to deposit the funds into the Curve Aave pool. So I just hit deposit, confirm transaction. Transaction is confirmed. So now I have 0, 0, 0. All my money is gone forever. I'm just kidding with you guys. But yeah, so now that that's done, also keep this in mind, guys. Bonus comes as an advantage from current coin prices, which usually appears for coins which are low in balance. All right, so now that we did all that stuff, now there's a section up here that says withdrawal. You see where my mouse is at? Wow, that mouse got really big. How do I do that again? Oh, wait. No, I can't replicate it. All right, so we go to withdrawal. So if I ever want to withdraw my funds, I can say, bruh, I want all USDC and that's it. So I can say, I can do a combination of all coins. I can do, nah, bruh, I want all DAI tokens or nothing. Or I can be like, nah, bruh, I want all USDC. Or you can be like, forget you, bro. I only want USDT or nothing. And you can do that. And you can change your slippage and say, look, bro, if you don't swap it at 0.05%, it's game over. I'm not doing it. You can do that. You can do 0.01%. I mean, sure, you may get rejected, so do keep that in mind. But hey, you can do that. And yeah, these are the different pools. These are the different rates. Which one do I recommend? Well, guys, it's entirely up to you what you want to do. That's your decision, your choice. Have fun. Have at it. So now you also have an option if you're just like, bro, I just want to keep these LP tokens and I just want to hold them in my wallet because I just like the look of them. You can do that too. You can unstake them and get no rewards. Go for it. Have fun. But if you stake them, you're going to earn some tokens. So you claim the wrapped matic, and when you claim the wrapped matic, that's just because you're earning wrapped, or because you're earning tokens. Now I won't be able to see any rewards right now because it hasn't been in there long enough, so I'm just gonna wait on it. But yeah, that's really how it looks, and that's really all you guys do. If you guys ever want to check out your dash, you go to the home page and you click on this section. So if you guys ever want to check out your dashboard, there's a section at the top that says Aave, and you hit home. So once you're on the home page, you have this section that says Aave, this is a lot of fun, you could do this, or you could just say, nah bruh, I'm going to my dashboard. And this will break down everything for you. So basically my profits are 35 cents a day paid, well that's total. So it breaks it down. Weekly profits are going to be $242 and $10.35 a month. So $10 and 35 cents a month on $500. That's pretty good. That's I mean, guys, if you think about it, that's more interest in a bank or than a bank gives you in a full year. Like, I think that's more interest than a bank gives you on $200,000 actually. You can earn more interest on $500 in 1 month using the Curve protocol than you would earning interest on USD in the bank. But anyways, guys, welcome to DeFi, right? So guys, you can see my claimable tokens are 0.00035 wrappmatic. So that's great and all, but that's fun. Anyways, guys, that's really the Curve platform in a nutshell. There really isn't a ton of junk to do on there right now. They really only have this one pool. You can see all the pools if you want, but it's really the only pool. They have more of them on the Ethereum network. Let me go ahead and show you guys Ethereum. I'll probably have to change my wallet. Dismiss. So you guys can see they got a little more pools on here. Obviously the gains aren't as crazy as, or not crazy, I guess you can say as high as the Matic, is because there's more people in these pools than the other one. And you can always see how much is in the pools by seeing this. This is daily volume. You can see the deposits. There's over $9 billion of tokens. If we go on Polygon, I think it's less than $1 billion actually on Polygon. Yeah, there's really not much over here. 840 million. Yeah, not much at all, right? But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in, guys. Same thing, like, subscribe, bell button, hit that comment section below and say, yeah, bro, I subscribe. And I'll be like, yeah, bro, you get thrown into the drawing for earning $100 in BTC at the end of each month. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for sticking by, and thanks for putting up with me for this video. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Guys, are you serious? You literally forgot. We got a wisdom one-liner coming your way. Proverbs chapter 25 verses 11. A word aptly spoken is like apples of gold in settings of silver. Now I know what you guys are asking yourself, because I'm asking myself the same thing. What the pants does aptly mean? Well, aptly is saying something at the right place and the right time, guys. You know that what it, and I mean, guys, everyone knows there's the right place and the right time to say something. Like, for example, at a funeral for someone who died, you don't just say, oh yeah, she was the worst when she's dead. No, that's horrible. You should never say that. So guys, that's just a concept quick wisdom one-liner. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Try out Curve, not financial advice. I didn't say anything. By the way, dogs, if you guys want to check me on TikTok, you guys can check me out on TikTok. I do daily wisdom one-liners there as well. I'll put a TikTok handle in the link in the description below. I think that's what it's called. That video. Alright guys, if you guys want to get some free BTC, here is the quadruple threat. Guys, there's a link in the description below. You can sign up for Celsius. You get $40 in free BTC. I get $40 in free BTC. It is a win-win. And if you enter in any of these codes, this is for a limited time, you will get an additional bonus of BTC, guys. You cannot beat that. The next in the quadruple threat is Voyager. Guys, when you sign up for Voyager, deposit $100, you will get $25 in free BTC. Need I say more? Probably not. The next one is Blockfolio. This is also in the link in the description below. Deposit $100 and you also get $25 in free BTC, in both for Blockfolio And for Celsius, you will be earning interest on the money you deposit and interest on the money you receive in the bonus, as in the BTC. And the final one that's in the link in the description below of the quadruple threat is Crypto.com. Guys, when you get or reserve the metalcrypto.com Visa card, which is the Ruby one and up, you will get $25 USD paid in CRO. Guys, you got to check out these bonuses. Lots of fun. Thanks for tuning in.